Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today is Wednesday and I will upload this video today because I usually don't. Anyways, I wanted to share with you guys a quick Dollar Tree haul. And I am so excited because I actually found stuff. Oh my goodness. So let me start with some of the household items. I had to go get this. Yeah. Anyway, so of course that's $1. I finally hit the jackpot, you guys. I finally found these containers. I've been looking for them. My Dollar Tree had not had them. It had been about 2 weeks since I've last been there, so I kind of had given up. So to my surprise, they actually had just stocked them in. So yay. And I got this. This was the color I was looking for, but I thought this was so cute, so I had to implement that in my stuff. I found these right here. I thought they were cute. I'm wondering, I'm still not sure what I'm going to use these for, but yeah. I am the kind that will get and then figure it out at the end. I got these baskets right here. This was $1, and this is about, let me see, about a little over, about 12 inches. And let me see if I could tell you the height. About 12 inches. I don't have a ruler on me, so it's about, lengthwise is 12 inches. So awesome. So yes, I did haul a lot of these. I actually took all of them that were there because, yeah, I've been hunting and looking. My kids got balloons, so we have balloons now. My son likes to dress up a lot, so there you go. And then I got some books. Aren't these cute? These are so cute. So I figured my son, my 7-year-old, could read these books. And then once he's done with them, I will be giving them to my grandbabies. So, I mean, aren't these so cute? Oh my goodness. Well, I know my son's not going to read this one, so this is for my granddaughter. And then look at those. So anyways, I also got this. My other son wanted this, so he's gonna have fun playing with that. And then word finder. So awesome way to distract and keep the mind busy. I also got this one right here. Isn't he cute? So got that one. And then I found these, you guys. Oh my goodness. I had not seen these books here at Dollar Tree. At this one, I've seen them at a different one, and I wanted to get this one. I wanted to get more, so I have more. So there is a plan behind these. And then I found these, you guys. I've seen the pink ones, but you know what? My store doesn't have the pink ones, so luckily I think they had just stocked these up because there was a whole bunch. So I only got 2 of these because I was gonna try them out. Let me see. Let me see. So they should be, yeah, they're pretty sturdy. Well, no, look at you guys. Look at, well, what can you do, right? So the grip might not be as good as I was thinking. Yeah, look at you guys. Okay, so maybe a suggestion, don't get these. Probably not worth it. Might hold some stuff that you might want to hold here, like this white. Yeah, it's tight, but if you want to hold paper, like 2-3 pieces of paper together, will not work. So you want to hold this, it will work. So there. And then I got this little basket as well. They only had one gray one. I would have gotten more gray ones, but that was it. And then finally, you guys, finally my DT got these big embellishment boxes. They had not had any embellishment boxes for the past few weeks that I've been going. So excited that they finally carry these, and they barely stocked these up because I ended up bringing me that big box. It wasn't full of these, but it was already empty. So I asked if I could have the box, and they had just emptied it out. And oh my goodness, so excited. Oh my goodness. So embellishment box, or you could put all your beads in here. It just depends. Pretty good size. It's really, and it's really depth inside. Let me see. Let me just see. I'm trying to find out if I could. Here's the washi tape. washi tape. Pretty good. Like it. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Okay, you guys, I had to come back on here really quick because I forgot to mention about the Snap Click Supply. Echo Park, it's Snap Click Supply Company. And you guys, look at, they have the Disney, it's the Echo Park, it's a magical birthday boy and birthday boy element pack and the paper pack, and they have the Cardbella birthday. And then you guys, guess what, they also had the birthday for the girl. They have it's your birthday girl element pack. And let me just show you really quick, you guys, if you guys are into digitals, highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Anyways, again, thank you, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.